Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll share to you how to change audio music on TikTok videos. Okay, the first time, please you tap this button and then you can record the video. And here we can record the video or we can upload the video we have. Maybe for example, I will take this, yeah. Just for example, and we will change the original sound to add sound which have on TikTok. Okay, in this under here, this sound we can tap and then we can change with the viral music or food music, up to you. Maybe for example, I will take it full senyum senyum sayang. Okay, we can click centang. Okay, after that in here the volume we can tap and we can adjust the original sound or add sound by what we want. Maybe the original sound we can choose 0% and add sound we can adjust for 100. Okay, like this. So this video will be adjusted by the add sound, so that after this we can choose next and we click pause. After we click pause, we have finished the tutorial how to change the original sound to add sound. Maybe this tutorial for useful for you, then for me, see you on the next video. Bye bye.